August 15th, 1947, India awakened to freedom. But freedom was never just a moment in history. It was a promise entrusted to every generation that followed. Our freedom was earned through courage, sacrifice, and an unshakable belief in a better tomorrow. Countless individuals gave everything, not for the India they knew, but for the India they dreamed we would create. Today, freedom means having the courage to think differently. It is the opportunity to learn, innovate, and lead. It means respecting our diversity, standing against injustice, and using our knowledge to create opportunities for others. The future of India will not be shaped by dreams alone. It will be shaped by our actions, by every problem we choose to solve.
We can solve this problem together.
Every voice we choose to empower, and every honest step we take towards progress. Let us build an India where education creates equality, innovation serves humanity, and leadership is guided by responsibility. Because independence is not only something we celebrate, it is something we must protect, strengthen, and pass forward. We inherited a free India. Now, it is our turn to build a stronger, more inclusive, and more prosperous nation. Freedom is our legacy. Nation building is our responsibility.